वाह,
दूर से देखने वाला है ये।
काफी सही है।
So guys, here we are at the Gaganachukki Falls. There's no entry as such, but the falls are so beautiful. The waterfall is extremely good. Uh, it's only that we are at slight distance from the waterfall, but it looks so magnificent. I'll see, there are some stairs where people can go till down. I'll try if I can go there, but it looks very good from here. Okay, so these are the steps where we can go down. I think we'll get better view from there. Wow, it looks so awesome. We're almost there. And turns out it's a dangerous place. Don't cross the fencing. Yes, that's true. We will not. Okay. So this is the viewpoint that we have come to. Oh my god, it is so good. And so that's how it looks. There's a small waterfall there as well. Really amazing.
वंस अगेन मेरे को ये वाटरफॉल बहुत पसंद आया। आई रियली लाइक दिस। और अब चलते हैं कुछ खाने पीने। बाराचुक्की वाटरफॉल। और यहाँ पे टाइमिंग है 9 AM to 5 PM। अभी 9 बजने में 3 मिनट बाकी है, जिन्होंने गेट ओपन नहीं किया है। और यहाँ पे एंट्री चार्जेस भी हैं, 4 व्हीलर के 20 रुपीज एंड बाइक से अगर आप आते हो तो 10 रुपीज। तो अभी 9 बजने वाले हैं, गेट ओपन होगा देन विल गो इनसाइड। सो वी आर द फर्स्ट वन। जैसे ही गेट खुला हमने अपनी गाड़ी निकाल दी।
So guys, the gates are open now. It's 9 AM exact, and we're so happy to say that we are the first one to entry into the falls. So let's see. We'll try to take some good pic before. There are a lot of people outside waiting. Not a lot of, but at least 20, 25 odd people who are waiting. And it seems someone is not wearing seat belts, so we are getting this. But yeah, so we'll just head quickly before everyone else comes in. So guys, here we are at the Barachukki Falls. We're so happy that we were the first one to make, but there are people coming in now. And here is the falls. This one also looks extremely good, just like the Gaganachukki. I thought we are coming as a detour here, hoping that it won't disappoint, and it did not. To be honest, it's extremely good. So it turns out we have to take a ticket of 5 rupees per person. There's no receipt, but we did not want to argue. If you don't want to pay the 5 rupees, you can come here, or you can come down to this viewpoint. seen a couple of places where we can view. This is one of them. Oh my god. Magnificent. Just have a look. Absolutely wonderful. I will go ahead and say that's even better than the last waterfall we went to before. Very good.
अब हम वापस आ रहे हैं बाराचुक्की वाटरफॉल से। तो गाइस, ये वाटरफॉल बहुत प्यारी है, बहुत प्यारे हैं। शिव समुद्रा वाटरफॉल्स इज अमेजिंग। इसके दोनों वाटरफॉल हमने विजिट किए। ये बाराचुक्की इज अमेजिंग एंड देन इसके पहले भी गगनचुक्की इज ऑल्सो गुड। नाउ वी आर गोइंग बैक। हम सुबह से बोल रहे हैं कि हम ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे। हमें ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए ऑप्शन ही नहीं मिल रहा है, हमें जगह ही नहीं मिल रही है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आसपास जितने भी रेस्टोरेंट वगैरह हैं वो सब 9 बजे के बाद खुलते हैं। तो अब हम वापस जाते हैं, शायद हमें रास्ते में कोई रेस्टोरेंट अच्छा मिल जाए। जाने में तो बहुत अच्छा है, वापस आने में हालत ख़राब हो जाती है, काफ़ी सारे स्टेयर्स हैं।
Hey guys, so we are just now leaving from Barachukki Falls. The falls were really good, maybe because of the monsoons, the water was in plenty, and luckily we were the first one to reach in the morning, so they were very less crowded at that point. So we got to click some good pics, take some good videos, and I absolutely loved it, So having said that, if you are traveling to Kerala, maybe Kurg, maybe Ooty, anywhere where this Mysore comes in, you can maybe take a slight detour, come through this, will take another hour or so. You can come to this Shivasagar area and explore both the falls. They are around 20 minutes away, 15-20 minutes away from each other. And at this point of time, during at least this monsoon and for next few months, they're an absolutely good place to be. So we absolutely enjoyed it. Absolutely worth spending 2 hours extra here. So yeah, we'll go on now, find some food. It's long that we did not eat anything since morning, since the time we left. So I think we have a restaurant here just outside of it. Hoping that it is open now. It was closed earlier, but it's almost 9. It's almost 10 a.m. We are running late actually, so we'll just try to eat something as soon as we can, and then we'll leave.
स्टॉपेज लिया हुआ है होटल मयूरा बाराचुक्की रूम्स एंड रिजॉर्ट में। यहाँ पे भी ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस नहीं है अभी। ऑमलेट मिल जाएगा, पूड़ी भाजी एंड देन उपमा मिल जाएगा, और चाय कॉफ़ी इतना ही सफिशिएंट है। तो विल हैव ब्रेकफास्ट हियर एंड देन उसके बाद फिर हम आगे निकलेंगे।